for this recipe, we need 150 grams pork. Now this is already pre-marinated overnight. I marinated it in soy sauce, a little liquid seasoning, and then 3 cloves of garlic and some black pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. And then also I put some pineapple juice. And then also we need finely chopped garlic and finely chopped onion. And then of course we need some pineapple slices. I'm using these canned pineapple slices. Okay? And of course we need some soy sauce, liquid seasoning, and ground black pepper. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Now first we need to pan fry the meat. Set aside. Then okay, now we are ready to put the sauce. Okay, pork stock. Okay, and we will let it simmer for about 1 to 2 hours in a slow fire. Okay, we will let it simmer until the meat is soft. Alright? Okay, just like that. We can add a cup of warm water, boiling water. And then let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours until the meat is soft. Okay? We will cook it in a slow fire. Alright? Okay, once the meat is soft, then we can put the pineapple slices. Okay, put the pineapple slices. And let it caramelize. Okay. So we can put some more black pepper. We can put some kernel black pepper. Okay? Some kernel black pepper. Just simmer it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then it's ready. Okay, simmer it. Slow fire. Okay, so after about an hour of slow cooking, finally the meat is soft. Okay, so here it is. It's really soft. And see, it is now, the sauce is now sticky. And it's almost dry. Okay, so it's ready. Now we can put the red bell peppers on top. Okay. Okay, just sprinkle the red bell pepper. And now it's ready. Yay! Okay. So, set our meat ready. Put it on a plate. Get ready for our meal. Yay! This is our pork with pineapple sauce or pork hamonado. Wow, this is really good. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Wow. Yes. Wow. Okay. Time we're gonna make beef and chicken just to show you how to do it. Okay, and then I prepared my favorite drink. Yes, Bailey's on the rocks. Yes, love, love, love. And then I have my favorite sauce, Nando's peri peri sauce. Love it. It's gonna be really, really hot. Okay. Alright, so this is gonna be a nice dinner. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yes, I'm so excited to eat. Yes. Love, love, love. Yay. Okay. Let's try the pork hamonado. Yay, let's eat. Hello, so guys, we're now ready for our meal. Okay, so this is our pork hamonado. Yes, or pork made in pineapple sauce. Really soft and tender. Okay. Look at that. Wow. Really good. It's really, really good. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my god. You should try this, guys. Really good and easy to prepare. You just slow cook it in the pineapple sauce. And it's ready after 1 hour. Just slow cook. Okay. And then also you can eat the pineapple slices. Really good. Now, I want to put some Nando's peri peri sauce. Ah, delicious. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gives the kick. Oh my god. Look at that with the Nando's peri peri sauce. Oh, it's really hot. Really, really good. Oh my god. Alright guys, so that's all I can eat. Thank you very much for watching this episode. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, share, and ring the notification bell so that you would be updated in my next video. Bye! See you all later!